Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. #10. Economy and Development. The Economic Development Board in Telangana is focused on a. Attracting investments and industries. The Telangana State Innovation Cell (TSIC) is responsible for promoting a. Innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem. The Bathakama Saris initiative in Telangana is aimed at promoting a. Handloom weaving industry. The T-Fiber project in Telangana aims to provide what type of connectivity to households? A. Fiber optic broadband. The Telangana State Road Transport Corporation (TSRTC) operates public transportation services through a. Buses. The We Hub initiative in Telangana is related to a. Promoting women entrepreneurs and startups. The Hyderabad Pharma City project aims to create how many jobs in the pharmaceutical sector? A. Over 4 lakh jobs. The Telangana State Industrial Development and Entrepreneurship Advancement Institute (TSIDEA) is focused on a. Skill development and training for entrepreneurs. The Medaram Jatara in Telangana is a famous festival celebrated in honor of which deity? A. Samaka Saralama. The Telangana State Tourism Development Corporation (TSTDC) focuses on promoting a. Tourism destinations and hospitality services. The Telangana State Fiber Grid Project T-Fiber aims at providing a. Broadband connectivity to every household. The T-Wallet initiative in Telangana is developed by a. Telangana State Technology Services (TSTS). The T-Hub initiative in Telangana is associated with a. Startup incubation and innovation. The Jal Shakti Abhiyan in Telangana aims to promote a. Water conservation and rainwater harvesting. The Haritha Haram initiative in Telangana aims to a. Increase green cover and afforestation. The Digital Telangana initiative focuses on a. Digitization of government services and processes. The Food Processing Policy in Telangana aims to promote a. Agro-based industries and value addition. The Telangana State Industrial Development Corporation (TSIDC) is responsible for a. Promoting industrial infrastructure and investments. The Telangana State Innovation Cell (TSIC) is responsible for promoting a. Innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem. The Medaram Jatara in Telangana is a famous festival celebrated in honor of which deity? A. Samaka Saralama. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.